She was fine, of course. No, I don't want the girls in here while I'm fixing it. You sleeping?
Yeah.